Hello, Sonia sis. Come see what African mama they do. Help me share. Oh, me I could just do a sharp. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let me share it to my friend. Let me also share it to the person that told me the story so that
Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
as I dey talk and she go dey hear am. African parents, where will you change? Where will you change? Where will you change? Osare, well. You know? Auntie Sonia, afternoon, how is everything? How is the family? Come see what the African people they do. African parents not going to ever change. They love to trade. African parents, when will you change? Someone just told me this. My heart was somehow broken. At the same time, I was like, oh God. Do our mama, some of our mama still they exist like this? Some still they do something like this. I said, okay, me, I just quickly talk and me, I not come forget because I don't want, maybe if I can't talk, I go come like say I can't the cut journal. She now, maybe she will come watch the video, you go come say, Grace, I not tell you this kind of thing, oh. And that time, me already talk, and so I just say me, I just quickly share am. Good afternoon. Thank you, Mama G sister. Kate Love, good afternoon, my sister. How is everything at work? Our mama, some of our parents, wait theirs, we send children come Europe. My sister, some mothers, God. I don't think say this kind of don't even handle. I think say maybe this kind of no they rampart again. Say it fed we some of us know say this kind of thing they, but I never even know say still they exist. I don't know say not they exist or still they exist. African parents, when will you change? When will you change your sorry? Well, we'll play one small music before they will come. We'll just play one music. One small music. I don't go say I don't stay long. I just quickly talk and come on for them. I just talk as my power because if I say me I talk as it explain that to me. Everywhere go boss, so me I not go forget some. Let me play music. I love to play music. Bosba cigar. Bobo cigar. Good evening, everyone. Hello. I don't catch you. But Bosiga, you are welcome. You are welcome, my sister. You are welcome, oh. Now with the I caught you red and dead. I want to play one music. May I take calm myself. I don't want to ask for the case. So, because some of our parents, you want to bring a first daughter to number 3 because of Europe money, because of euro. Hey, man, this money, me take what you and I whenever. Me take what you and I whenever. Where this music we are saved now? Oh. I'm bad as we mama. Thank you. Kate Law said he bless everyone in the building. I want to play. Where this music now? Oh God. Parents. A friend of mine called me. It's not just my friend like that, but we don't know for some. Osabe, you don't know me. Yeah, I don't know you. Really? Okay, sorry. You sure say I don't know you so? Hear this music now. Oh, you want to get one music where I be want play. Oh, Abana say we mema. Oh yeah, well, then it do the moment. Well, I save now. Good afternoon. Nah, with the music we I save. Now that music now I want me I play. I don't want to play another music before we go start. I don't see the music. Okay, may I go YouTube? I must play music before I start. Because if I start like that, I go too ash. Good afternoon, engineer, my brother. Good afternoon. Oh, I don't see that music. Not with this music I want. Invite people. Let's talk. African parents. Here 3.1 of Jamie. That is my husband. Here 3.1 of Jamie. Anything you want to bring up for Africa, if you get Jamie, contact her. You know, I'll say. That is Mama Triple in the building. We have Mama Triple in the building. Mama Triple S1 Jamie. Now these are the shop Europe money. Not this music I don't want to play, but no plan. African parents, when will you change? When will you change? When will you change? When will you change? God will ask you. Any role you play in the life of your children, God will ask you. How you treat your children, how you brought them up, any way you want to bring your children up is left for you. But train up a child the way it should go. When it grows, it will not depart from it. The way you treat your children today will give account of it. Eh? Now so. No say. Some parents, it's not even good. May you they say yeah we joy is, but at the same time, some parents know you deserve to be mother. They don't deserve to be called as a mother. They don't even want giving a child. But God is a merciful God. You know, you can't tell him to give, you can't tell him not to give. So for that reason, he loves everyone equal. He gives children out of his mercy. Sometimes some of us, we don't deserve to have children, we don't deserve children. But God decided to give the children to us because of his mercies, not that a lot of us deserve it. And some people that really deserve these children, that are really crying, yelling for it, they are searching for it. Not that God cannot give them child, but they just have to be patient for their time, okay? Because, let me quickly, I'm not going to stay long. Hello, good afternoon, beautiful people. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Depending on where you are watching me from right now, I have a topic that says, African parents, when will you change? African parents, when will you change? When? Okay, I know things are difficult, but when will you change? Let me just go to our local language, our local broken. Then I go to Miss Bini Joiner, you know, as the person tell me. So this woman have 4 children. One boy, two boys, 2 women. Okay, let me just put it 2 men, 2 women. So this girl, the senior daughter, say she went abroad. When somebody will want carry her come, he go say they come say me go abroad. Say he get fiancé there. Now the man don't be her husband. He say start please. I don't start. I believe me. So she says she gets fiancé where she want marry. So when they come tell her she can't go abroad, they come say okay, no problem. But based on she already dey inside relationship, and the relationship is like it dey serious. So she says she can't go tell her boyfriend say I am watching from Canada. Oh, thank you, Canadian woman. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please, if you have not liked my page, please like this page. Okay, let's move this ministry forward. Okay, together we can. Akugbo etin. So she says she can't go tell her fiancé. Say only they say me I can't travel, come Europe. He said the boy that's there in the date the guy that time because now the boy already be her husband. He said that the boy can't tell her and say you know say this relationship with this so it's serious, and if you travel come abroad now go come be like say 2 of us not come day again, and then abroad not be place they'll say go come I'll wait for you, you know, 2 years you'll say you're 21 year, 2 years, 3 years, before you know 10 years go complete, you know, we'll come miss each other, we'll not come marry each other again. So he said the guy can't really give her assurance say I go marry you, not travel come Europe. He said really, he really see the seriousness. Even the parents know the man. So he said he can't go back to her. He can't go tell mama. Say, Mama, in the hello, sirs, good evening, good afternoon. He said he can't go tell his mother say EJ, daddy, you know say that my boyfriend saying go marry me. You know want travel again. Hey, he said mama say Uma Onujewebo, you know what travel? Oh, that boy matter now you can't take past my home. That wish me you respect that map. That your useless boyfriend pass me. He said the parents can't quarrel with someone. They can't even insult the boy. The parents can't go talk to the whole family. Say if they talk to her daughter, me can't go Europe. Your daughter no one go Europe. He said some side down, some not side down. He said but he don't care. He still stay Nigeria, not go Europe. So after 3 months, after 3 to 4 months, the mom can't really pay her bride price. She can't marry. He said so the opportunity where she be wanting to come Europe, the 3rd daughter, the 3rd daughter can't use the opportunity. He said can't come Europe. He said when the girl can't come Europe, he said things was really nice for her. She really make her as he just you not even spend reach a year plus for so far. Or boy just come away, then he can't they live big like can't they nice, he do something. He said so when before the girl come there alright, he said the girl just call because now he already married, he don't come up for papa's house. So if the girl call, they no one give the girl a number. So the girl he go in mama house, go receive number call. He say as they receive the call, he say mama go just say, hey, on a pass away, you know the shame of your hakere, or you do akewe bokoliwe. He say, as from the starting, you know cancer as anything, because now mama, you know mothers now. He says, so he said this, he talk many things, the one way I remember, because if person just from me, I know the queen remember, I call the job, me, I don't go lie. So he said, when this girl come, they bring money. He say, if he bring money, he goes, okay. She know they bring money to run direct. He say, he go give her mama. He go say, mama, this one and this one, oh, this one and this one, oh, this one and this one. Oh. He say, if he there, he go come, his younger ones go come meet her for us. Yeah, his sister, he go no day. Instead of her mama to give the younger one, make them go give and go say, me come. Why? Because he want insult her for the money before he go give and go insult her husband. He say insult her husband, insult her because before the girl, before her mama go give her money, he go say, what's the need? Man, why you go no gun? Why did go away? He imagine when do you go what? He say, you know that money, but this woman not be person way that they still suffer. Oh, that they flat, they rent the flat. Not be saying that they build the house. He said they're not the hungry. At least she they feed herself. Your husband see they do furniture work, and they're not be all these people who just poor like that. So she said if you go house, go take the money for mama. And mama will just tell her say he said the mama will just take God Jesus. He said the mama will just take the money, go your try for a face. Me no ria here wa lori ari e ovio hakere or giri go agwe no ajide webo you know what go abroad. He say from there go your entire husband. He say you no go can go take the money, go say Johnny Makai. When they come cause this quarrel so where the matter come dey escalate so say the girl dey obo and the obo say no one picking. And the mama say me the girl dey there. If time reach to born go if to for her to born, the girl go come up for them. And the girl not be 27 years old, not be 28 years old, not be 31 years, not be 32 years old. Based on the money level, the mama say make it get there. So she said, if you go take the money, the man go, the woman here, papa they go insult her. You go see, we go take you from number 1, go put for number 3 because now children according to senior, now you supposed to take off. If maybe our enemy can't die, now which we know if you take care of junior ones. He say mama will insult her put for the money, go insult her put for the money. He say he go. He said that your husband can't your husband not can't like what his mama they talk again. He say your husband can't tell her say, I beg if you go your mass, the money we give, not use and take food for me. Because if your ma cost you 1, you go cost 10 for me. Say that me cost and may not come, may she not come Europe. He say so one, he say if you go in mama house, he say mama get more than 3 phones. If you go in mama, my sister, I just summarize that because the one way I remember. He say if you go in mama house, he say mama get more than 3 phones. Your mama go just pack the phone because before your mama come they hide the phone. The girl, he say one day, he say one day he can't go in mama house. He say when he can't go in mama house now, the girl can't call all of them. They say the girl can't call them. He said, why ya maro power calling me from Nigeria? Or one no, I wanna well, is my your start. Otweno, you no bani call you when I say. They no Otweno, you know they give anybody number. May they go they call. Why you go there? Otweno. He said the thing converse her sister. Wait, they you sister come they say, sister, what go ya no ba me? I was saying, he said my sister come and say, my sister. We wa remember man no ga no ba we na go see or see when you call we European as well. He jama he said na so he can't take cost quarry for him and her sister. He said so his sister not come dey call am. This time he say be don't get phone no. His sister not come dey call. He say sister come you know come dey call am because of that quarry when quarry with am because his mama don't like give and say my sister my daughter oton ya aga no banave ma ni akole say because his mama dey find we one cause quarrel for 2 of her sins. He said the worst thing mama will just carry money owo agbeli go kwa oh God hell he said this woman na Christian he even get title me una see he said before he go give her the money go insult her put for the money insult her put for the money insult her put for the money. He says, so he said, if his sister bring goods, come for Nigeria, if he bring container like clothes, shoes, he said, if he go, make the sister will say, make the share. He said, mama go insult her. even though na three thing be one rich yan, you can't give am one. Ujo they say me you go Europe, you say na husband you want marry. Nah, the younger one can't feed you. If I die, before I die, I go make sure say I bring you come number 3. Instead of number 1, you'll be number 3 because you know what senior daughter. He said, can they tell us, EJ, instead of number, I be your first daughter. Because say I not come Europe, can't give you money. I not come Europe, but another person, the third daughter come Europe. Mama, you say you go bring, Mama say, Papa say, yes, so we go bring you come number 3. Now when they talk will be the senior. You be the senior. Hello, good afternoon, my sister. You go say, yes, you be the senior, but as you not do senior thing, we go take your better, we go take and come number 3. He say, now, because of that quarrel, he say, go report to your auntie. Say, I see what Mama they do because of Europe money. Oh. He said that one, the mama can't see, can't talk to her. It's a aunt, that's her auntie. Can't tell her, say, so person can't report to me. Je we get you away now. Hey, oh my Jewebo, we have Varodona. This and this. This woman, you know they suffer. Oh, you know they suffer. Not be say the girl now money where they bring, not they reach them. I swear the date now their house. So he still carry that first daughter. Put for man. He even say he don't even come carry one of his brother. He said, now, girl, the sister be one carry. The one way be last, when I be one carry. Mama can say, na boy be one carry. Mama can say, no, na girl, she must carry. He said, the can say, Jay, amu. Can say, no, who amu. He said, the girl can't use strong head, can't take carry man. Why it be, say, my sister, the reason why my mama say, make it carry boy, girl, because of money, because they say, boy, not the quick maker. Say, na girl, the quick maker. And mama know what they do for this side. And thank God now, my sister don't get Oibo put on for us, but the Oibo no want pikin. If mama no want, make she come out for that house. Make she go born. My sister, if you shop money, person where you for the shop money, the person don't want pikin. You no go come out for that. After all, you don't get what you want. Why some mothers, where you be say this Europe money, this dollar, pounds, whatever, it don't cause so many havoc in the family. So she said the girl can't use strong he can't take carry the boy. He said the mama can't say, I know, say now you go tell her, make it carry boy. He said everything mama go to put her for her hair. Say instead of you to now you be the senior daughter, now you supposed to take care. He said this thing not be 2 years ago, it happened, don't reach about 7 years. He said, supposing he go Europe that time, say my sister, he for never even born. Because the way her mother tell they persuade her sister. Mommy, I went to born in my gualo, even though the born never want pikin, no worry. No worry. If a time reach, I go tell you me come on go find pikin. He said, mama go to tell his daughter say, go see person wey give a testimony for our church. Now 58 years a day, he born triplets. Go see person wey give testimony for the other church. Now 40 years a day, he gave birth to twins. Go see the other one. He said, now that one, he mama he come to the trail his sister. He said so. Where he can't carry the boy, he said that one can't see cause for you. He said when his sister, his brother reached Europe, has been saying that boy, he come away. I tell him I said this boy, many things where the girl tell me, but I want you to try summarize them. Yeah, we are told because if you watch the video. So she said like that, so things going to go on, quarry. It's just anytime they say bring the property, make the share and say the girl, the mama will just spark. Nah. He said, wait, for where he called the reason I say, EJ, waiting, say, Ikewu, ya hamiya, number 5, number 3 with him, instead of number 5, number 1, because audion, instead of you be number 3, first daughter, you will become number 3 because now first daughter now they take care of after mama and papa now first daughter now my third child now can they take care of you. Che, you are a disgrace. He said and the taking care of where her mother they talk. So he said no be say his sister now constantly sister they bring money for her. He said no be constantly. He said maybe sometimes he go still bring money like once in 3 months he go still give her like 50 to 70,000. He say maybe after that one, maybe like as the one still do his go say okay, sister still take small thing. He say and the worst part not be so her mama take bring them up. He say her mama, they all of the he say the thing they make her the reason say EJ you go shop which for night because of this money. Because he say before the money start to dey come inside this house, he say the money there is nothing like say his mother he say her mother was not greedy for money before. He say but all of a sudden her mother just come start. He say so he say no be say her sister they take care of her every month now. Say na sister come they take care of her every month. Oh, people say na sister they take care of her every month. He say no be say na her sister. He say just because her sister they bring money come maybe once in 3 months, once in 4 months, like Christmas, maybe Easter. Maybe sometimes they also say okay, take this 20,000 for a while. He say so wetin come happen now. He say one day her sister come call am. He come flash her sister. He come say call me. He say the sister come call. He come dey tell am say my sister time don dey go. You know say omola women men can give birth to a child at the age of 80 years. They go fit pregnant woman. But women may not be say later you can't go dey regret. If that Igbo say no want pikin, you want pikin, you be woman. They leave the Igbo. He say come say my sister in do now he be the think, he see the think, but the Igbo tell her say he no want pikin. But anytime she say she don't tire for the relationship, then he want get pregnant, he want born. The Igbo say the girl get right to say okay, he want go marry. He want go marry for another. He want go marry another man. He said the Igbo not dey. Saturn go and close the door for me. He said the Igbo not dey against that one. He said because of the woman, the girl not come up for there. Now because of the money where the Igbo they see for Igbo and he say her mother no, and her mother no want me her daughter come up for that Igbo house because of the money where her mother they receive for her daughter. Because he said the girl really they bring money. Wait for they see the money or Igbo hand because the Igbo get money. He said, now he come tell her, say, my sister, this money where they bring, so no problem. Now good thing, but a time go come, this money no fit buy pikin. He said, he can't really talk to his sister. His sister come say, my sister, come down from there now. What's wrong with you? He said, his sister come say, sister, now true you they talk with something, go just they think. But if I don't tell you, they say, worry me, man. Why me more bien? Worry yourself, biaro. He said, now make her see day that go and close that door for me and stay in one place. He said now make her stay that Oyibo house. He said so he can't talk to her sister. Say my sister, this kind of thing. If you continue like this, a time go come. You go there, you not go see pikin. Say sister come to talk. Say okay, he go think and me making no as he go say to come up for Igbo has not be problem. He said, yeah, his sister can't talk. Say, can't rest. He said, so when her sister can't call her mama, they can't see they talk about the child because he said that his sister can't they talk. EJ, now his sister can't they tell this her sister. Now her sister can't they tell their mother this one. Wait till their mother got that talk. He said, now he can't they tell, he can't call, he can't tell his mama, say, EJ, I want to go born. This Oyibo don't try for me, and I not just say because they don't try for me, I not come born. I'm not there myself. All my friends who God are come, they don't born. His mama can say, Ija, oh me lie, you love, who can you be small picking? Say, Cutlass, EJ, why they talk like EJ? You don't even care. 38 years, 38. EJ, you don't even care. Say tomorrow if I not come see my age, they go. Now only. Where the girl for make mistake, now can be say Cutlass. Now so she start to talk, say woman care, they took care. Hey, mama say, you Ozwoni. Oh, we no one. Now come they gossip me. He says sister come this girl, come the woman, I will slap you now, don't disturb me. Okay. He said the woman converse. Say one day, his mama converse. The next two they just come their house. he just called his husband. He just called. They say he call insult am. Well, erokia me we mom. Erokia me we mom. Miomo na person go collect pikin from your hand o. Me down nuhin. Orian boy o. This and this, that and that. He say call insult him. He was banned. He said that day they just cook. His husband just eat. The children there, and so mama your tape busting. Hey, omo down. Ever since I gave birth to you, I don't talk and you must be number 3. I don't talk and you must be number 3 because you know what make good thing happen. Or you want me go to suffer for husband house. You want me go to, you know say na mature people na they marry. My sister, your daughter dead 38 years old. You say na mature people they marry. Okay, she never mature. 38 years never reached to enter husband house because of the money where you they get. Madam, if I think I don't want to even ask about this matter, madam, if you come across this video, I don't know, you not going to know say that you are the talk to. May God have mercy on you, madam. May God have mercy on you. Any way na take 3 children when I brought up, any because of money, now one kill one, give one. Go onto that mother. Go onto her. He said the woman just the talk. Hey, he said mama you come the talk. 38 years old. Of your hakere, no ya more word. Then I say call ask mama say, how old are you when you got married to my father? That time, may get mature mind, may get sense. They know how to handle marriage. Not be this new generation, Indomie generation that don't know how to manage their home. Every little thing divorce. You want my daughter to go and divorce in the house of those rubbish. He say, your mother used a shout for the house. He said, "Nah, mama, your husband converse say, ije wa igbe la wana if you were for." He said, "Come become family quarrel." So he talk many things. Me, I just because if I even reason some things where the woman just doing, oh my God. So he said, hey, he said later the girl not come they give him mama money, may give her. He said he come tell her say, my sister, I beg, they cause quarrel. Just call me the you can. Say the girl come they put. Not be say this girl, not be every month they give her money oh. When mama wa just die put so he say sometimes once in 3 months he say no sit to do the disturbance because he gets more shop then her husband gets her husband they work for furniture. He said they not they hungry, they get children for school, they not they hungry, but not be say they're rich, they see they manage as them as their power rich. He said so when the mother come notice say this girl not this is daughter no come they come this case not be now happen it don't happen till pass but now the girl tell me the woman never see change. Oh, he said the reason why he tell me say the mama never see change. He said supposedly her mama don't change. He said if for no even if for your rest. He said but her mother never see change. He said now the son he come they call now oh me I speak English, sorry my people. You not hello. Walking, who go there? You just poor. He said he brought that joke go mama say, hey, waiting. Ni yari go. You see your life now. Who ye we boy ya one wemu. It's I tell her that day oh, make it not carry you because men no get they don't get what they do for Europe. Women, supposing now your sister carry that day now, that one for don't know where still do rich. You now what you get, just to say, ije mi my daisy, no go neni huagbon, umame mi ho paso bomb no be arijo bon. Oh God, I don't laugh. He said, Baba go tell us, say you don't even see one girl hold ransom where you go see they give you help. Imagine mother see what way they carry come out for maths because of euro, because of pounds and dollar, because of money. My word, Jesus, some women share, some mothers, you people don't, some mothers don't want to be called mother. Oh my God. He said so the girl come, my mama come notice say oh me now this my pikin not come they say origo gumia. He say mama come you the Lucas. He called the suspect. Oh boy was he said because if his sister bring money, he said go buy food stop. The only thing where you know they buy for us now be fish because they're not not this stable for Nigeria. He said but any beans, bag of rice, you go just buy things at least the only thing where they go dey buy put na be meat wey dem take dey shop am, meat because of light. Say na only that thing. He said when her sister just bring money, he said na only that day he just go market. The next 2 days the mama your land for a house, just dey check everywhere, just go kitchen. You just dey look everywhere. They say eru wa ime go wana amigo wa ya de la avec pizza avec be na yi. When that pizza wa gan say na. We on for see money to buy this bag of rice, bag of beans and the rest. Now at this coronavirus, things are very expensive. How come na fit afford all those ones? He say mama con dey suspect. So he say na his sister come tell say, well, if you see say your mama dey suspect like that, if I give you money, no dey buy things for house again. They suffer, they use the money. Then anytime when mama take you not see anything, go rest. You know, see where come they shook eye again. So my people, the problem now say the mother, the verse say his sister, her first daughter advised the third daughter say, my sister, if that oyibo no wan marry you, come up for that marriage. Go come up for that marriage. Then come up for that oyibo house. Go marry. Hello. Hello. Hello, speaker. Nilo Guana. Come on for you. This is my friend. Oh. That's all you call to tell me. So, my people, now be the thing. I was so when she they tell me the story, I was so much say, what? So women, African women now still they do this kind of thing. Now why you want bring first daughter to number 3 because say she no go Europe, gonna bring money come for you. That kind of mother may want to you. God will ask you. God will ask you anyhow you love one daughter pass one daughter because of Europe money. You oppress one daughter pass one son because of Europe money. You intimidate one daughter pass on. You intimidate one of your children or your children because of Europe money. You will never go scot-free. Now you want to create enmity, future enmity. Now that one they try to create now. You don't know future enmity. Even the out of 4 now, 2 day Europe, 2 day here. The 2 day Europe, 2 day okay. The 2 way day here now. The other one they join mama and papa. Then he bless now only she now, and the one way day Europe. Now 2 of them now it can be not be say they still be 5 as at least say that they call each other. But the one way day Nigeria, they talk say the 2 way day Nigeria, one of them we never marry. They join that one we don't marry. They join mama, they beat that one we don't marry because they don't go Europe money. Any man, any woman maltreating your children because of Europe money. Some mothers are wicked, child. Some mothers, Europe, waiting Europe money don't cost. It don't cost havoc. People have sold their hand with blood because of this Europe money. The money what people they say come for, and I don't even know how person they get the money. Now not know how they get whether na drug they carry, whether na dirty job they do, street or one another. The parents don't even care to know. All they want to know, bring the money, bring the money, bring the money. Now the girl. Oyibo as we dey now. He said the Oyibo say he no go born. But anytime the girl feel like say he want go marry, she's free to go and marry because she no want pick. The Oyibo no want picking, and the mother no want make her daughter come out for that house go marry because of the money wey be picking the same come. Now the girl come the verse for him mama now. Whether you see the he still married, but his mama say he never talk when he want to marry. Now this girl drive and come off for that Igbo hand where he take go marry. Because say the money be there, money where he did there, the girl her sister not allow as the one where they abroad shop the Igbo money where he can't go deceive her. Make she take come off for Igbo money. Now that one I see his mama the vessel for more than 5 years now, my people. For more than 5 years now, that one mama the verse for that first daughter now. Then that woman now you will come say make it die better. Mother na mother. He don already born am. He say he no know wetin he enter him mama head. More than 5 years, say mama still dey talk that thing. If I know your monure. Food where you comot for my mouth, na person go comot am for you. Oh my God, you are laying curse on your daughter because of Europe money. Some women, they not deserve daughters, they don't deserve children. But God gave us children out of his mercy, because when you look at some women, really they don't deserve it. They don't deserve it at all. But he's a merciful God. Really, oh my sister, he's a merciful God, but you can't tell God to you can't choose who God to give, who God cannot give. He's a merciful God, because we human beings, we are not the sharer of children. It's only God shares, it's only God that gives children. Hello, auntie. It's only God that gives children. Mothers, African mothers. You have been a stumbling block to some of your children here in Europe for them not to get married, because when you know that when they get married, the money every month, every week, EJ they sick 20,000, EJ no eat 80,000, EJ they pay now 50,000. You go to trill your pikin. Because of that one, some parents no one made their children marry. I thought this thing don't even pass. It still they exist. It still they exist. When this woman analyze what she go through for her mother hand, just because say she don't go abroad, can't take care of the younger ones, not be say the opportunity where she want to go lost to, but the opportunity where she want to go, the third daughter can't use that take go abroad. The third daughter is doing fine, but anytime the third daughter is trying to help the senior, your mama will tell her, say, you know the shame. Now younger ones they help you. Ooh. Now so you go there on that younger ones. Now so you go they eat on that younger ones. How can you lay that curse on your child, on your daughter, because your first daughter refused to go to Europe to go and make money? Woe unto you, that woman. Woe unto you. You will not go scot-free. Well, he's a merciful God. God can still forgive you. But African parents, please change. A lot of things are going on here in Europe. Some ladies are here in this Europe. They are more than 40 years. Based on this, my pikin never reached to marry. All this men, all this me, you go marry. They can't use you. They can't do this. They can't do that. They can't do this. Some of them are single at the age of 42 years. Some of them are single at the age of 40 years, because man, when they be one married, they don't use that to do boyfriend. Some people, man, they go they beg them that time, they don't want to marry you, because their mama no want make them marry, because immediately they marry. Most especially, let be sincere. Most especially Benin women. Me, I'm from Benin. Let be sincere. Go at those states. May you go see as family go they fight for flats where they not build. Maybe who don't build that they Europe, or who don't even build that don't die. Go see as siblings they use class till they kill themselves. Go see our mama they disown. Exactly, man. Exactly. This one is true. This one is life story. When this day they tell me the story. It's the story long, but I say, my sister, I go just sit talk small pick am, because the way we take talk as me, I know if you remember am, and I don't want to talk make you go. No, you say you come to watch the video, say Graceland, I not tell you this kind of one. I know which I take talk am. So the one where I remember, I go talk, and then I go add my own to that. My people, if you may come across this video, if you are a single girl, you are trying to mingle, your parents back in Nigeria is telling you, Ukeregbe, you too small, because some parents say you too small to enter husbands. Those parents, their marriage at the age of 14. Some of our parents, one of my auntie, she married at the age of 14 years. She's late now anyway. She got married to her husband at the age of 14 years. She has 10 children. 10 children. That's so they grow total. Some of our parents, they got married at the age of 15, 20, 18. But you will be 30 years, because you're in Europe. When you want to get married, your parents will say, four flat, fair build 4 flat, fair build 6 flat. You never carry this one. This one go school. You know, say your brother. Let me tell you, some people, some family where they sacrifice for, they're not the sacrifice for you. They're not whoever sacrifice them for you. Let me quickly leave this story. There's this auntie, This auntie come from here. He get asked for Lagos. this auntie get us for Lagos. He get property. He never born. Because all this say, I want find money. Your mama say, hey, do this one. Hey, do this one. He train everybody, all his siblings for investing. So as when she built for Lagos, he can't tell his one of her sister, make she go they stay there, make she they control the tenant where they there. So he can't be the caretaker for them. This woman here, her husband, the husband not get anything. Now this woman carried them from Benin. They can't go put them for Lagos. They can't buy car for them, so that make it easy for them. Make them no say tomorrow they can't say, we know what call Lagos. So now you can't say maybe we call Lagos. Nah, Lagos life too expensive. This woman can't buy car for them. Now they pay their children school fees, so that may just help them. They control the tenant for flat, get flat to correct flats. He said so when this woman can't go Nigeria, I can't go Lagos. He said if this woman say if she go out, she they come back. If she go outside, she they come back. So maybe he go ask girl and three of these her sister children go there ask. With us, they say she go out because say he come from abroad, he still need to go. I say driver come carry and go out. He say if she they come, he go buy Mr. Beast now based on children. They are so hey. He say he go buy snacks. He say if he they come, he say as he go say kids children come and have Mr. Beast. He said the children go they do like this. We are not hungry. We are not. Children, you are not hungry. Say as they say, man, they have eaten. They have eaten. My sister, you know where? They could not wait. We have eaten, ma. Thank you. He said he go keep the thing for them. He said he not go even go there because he already. Thank mommy. Good afternoon, man. Good afternoon, almost, man. He said this woman, he go they do like this. Like the children, the parents, the woman not there, the husband, they don't go work. He said the children will say, no, auntie, we have eaten. Auntie, we have eaten. Thank you, man. He said, I was going to say, man, let me keep it. They have eaten. He said, you know, so if I get collect, ask girl will go through where. He said if he see go out, if he see the he go think say the door eat am. He said if he see go out, he go see come. May not dey, but they like to go out. He go your car driver because this woman not be saying na 20,000 rich. He rich. He said if he go out, he go see buy, he go buy snacks. Children, Mr. Big chicken. Hey, we have eaten, we have eaten. He said one day, this one not be once, not be two times. He said one day, he just see carry chicken come. We have eaten. He said the chicken can't dead the children. Hey. Come out take. He said come put the chicken for plate. He can say okay, may just buy a many. If they reach us, all of them gather shopper. Oh yeah, kids, bring the plate, the plate. He said Aubrey, come put the cheese, come put chicken for plate. Oh yeah, come and eat. He said the small one eat, the rest go the dragon. He said that one come say, auntie, hey, oh God, oh, when person tell me this story, I shed tears. Oh. He said, this woman, he no can see pikin born. He don't mature based on because of this. They'll make money. You when you hate husbands, they go, they laugh you. You when quick man, they'll send your man, I will not read like what door. Then he said that the woman, the one of the daughter can say, one of the sister daughter can say, auntie, my mommy said, your mommy said what? My mommy said, he said before ask girl come from kitchen, the pikin doctor can come out. He said, auntie, my mommy said that we should not collect anything from you that you may have HIV because though many people that is coming from abroad have HIV. He said the woman said chicken fall for her hand. She fall from chair where she sit down. He hold her chest like this. He said that so as girl run come. Hey, what are you saying? He said he no fit or he just come dey shed tears. He said chicken come dey from that so he just do. He said as girl don't already know wetin she because auntie ma is not. He said the guy goes, what did you say, auntie? What is all no problem? I told auntie that my mommy said we should not collect anything from auntie because she might have HIV. Because people that normally come, most especially women that come from Europe and Italy, they have HIV. Hey, ask the cousin, why did you say it to auntie now? Oh, mommy only told you. Didn't say you should say it to auntie. Story don't bust. That woman say he come dey share, he no fit come up for share, he no fit eat chicken again, come dey consider. He say na there his sister and her husband come to meet am. They come dey shed tears. This one na the person where he get flats, where he and her husband they open shop for the woman, the man they work. Then the woman have guts to tell his niece, say, Mona, not take anything from them. This auntie don't take anything from her. She might have HIV. Okay. He said when the woman come, sister, what did happen? Sister, what he? Sister, what did he say? Second, he not fit up. He said he don't cry, don't tire. Say, supposing he get pikin, maybe this is sister for not telling this kind of thing. He said she don't cry, she don't tire. He said, now so the woman call and say, may ask his children. He said now the ask come say, mother, so daughter. He told that he told that what? He told that that word he told daughter. Even ask them not the shop chicken. Ask them not the shop Mr. Biggs based on the word where his sister tell them. HIV not the house. No, HIV not the house. So no, HIV not the car. HIV not the store where he open for them. Please, my people, like the page, okay? Please share my video, okay? Thank you. HIV not the house, so not the car, not the business where he open for the woman. He said the woman come shock. Hey, sister, children, sister, don't be so talk. Hey, sister, go talk this kind of thing. Sister, no fit talk this kind of thing now. Sister, no fit, no be. Children, no, that is not what I said. Children, you think say children, they forget something. Children can never forget what you tell them. Well, whatever you call them and say, children, this is this. They can never forget it. He said, because say, my sister, wait till I do you. He said, he come dey cry. He said that night he not eat. He know it. Come say no problem. He not wait till he go fit. He not go fit drive them. He say na so he take back. He go change ticket. Say because stay there. He even which means if he glide down for his bed, maybe he don't come. If ask them he want spread bag, go put one glove for hand. He say if ask girl want spread bed, go put one glove for hand. He want spread the woman who come from Europe. He want spread the bag, go put one. Oh God. He go put one glove for the hand. Make HIV not enter hand. Hello, Tiana. Thank you for coming. May HIV not enter the woman hand. My sister, what a shame. He said, I saw him take back in Concon, Europe. That woman is more than 45 years old. No children, no kids. If that woman get pikin, she go. That is sister. This will not be half sister. The same mother, the same father. He go talk that kind of thing. The same way they build the house, where he sponsor and go school, where he sponsor the rest children go school, HIV not there. Because say this woman not come see husband. Who to blame? Who to blame after sacrificing your life, your time, everything for the family? The same family will tell you that you are nobody. This is what this woman is doing to her daughter now. The woman now, he say, in mama they talk say, you before I die, you'll be number 3. Because as a first daughter, you did not behave as a first daughter. First daughter, he said the mama go to tell her, say, ooh, third pikin, I can't they feed you. Third pikin, I they feed you. As third pikin, they feed you so. Now so third pikin, you go there under your mates. Look at what a mother is saying out of her mouth. That little child that there is a God. Please assist her for yes, so he would have thank you. I believe so. Praise God said that little child that there is a God because her sister for poison her to death. Yes, it's possible. What is the sudden death of some people that will just travel to Nigeria? They will just die. And some of them, they not get pikin. They not get pikin. Oh. You will see. God, I said, this will not be only. Sorry, I said those things. Yes, let's be truthful. Go ahead, don't stay. Me go see where they use class. Say they fight each other for flat where they're not born, where they're not built. Then you there, you they kill yourself. You want kill yourself. They will go lie. Hey, mama, if maybe a go drive them come on. Auntie, the woman, the thing, he get for Benin, get for Lagos. The property no matter to I get where picking. Even though he drive the auntie, where picking, that one go bring picking come for her. This woman is more than 40. What it be with 45 safe? What it be 45? The best way don't go 50. What it be 45? Supposing that woman get pikin, the sister for not tell her like that. Now because she not get pikin. Yes, now because she not get pikin. Some sisters in Nigeria, some people where they make you they suffer, so they get past you. Go Nigeria, go to they get past you. The way they'll say pick or tete you they fear. Not be more that they do this one to daughter so because her senior daughter because her senior daughter refused to go to Europe. The third one can't go. The woman, the girl say her mama no let her get rest. That year. For 5 years now, the move that they vex for that daughter, for her first daughter. Why? Because she advised the third daughter, say, this Oyibo where you dey her so, you no want picking, and they give you money. My sister, you don't build for flats. If they give you money, you are 38 years old. If they give you money, he say you no want picking, then you come up for there. You don't already get what you want get. The girl call you to her sister advice. Her sister can't tell her mama, say, EJ, I want go born. This is so you no want picking. Supposing you want picking, me I for born for I not select. But you don't want picking. I don't there for more than 6-7 years. All my maid don't born. You see, mama can say, my sis picking, I know, Ija. Oh, mom will love her. Go, she say, mama go tell her, say, that church where I go last week, woman of 50 years, come they give Thanksgiving. Say she give birth to. He give birth to triplets. Please share the video. Let it get to all these mothers where they don't trade their children for money, where they not even they fear God. They not they fear God. May God have mercy on those mothers, man. He say he can't tell her mama say, EJ, I want go. But say mama can say, he go see that church where I go that day. They call they give Thanksgiving. 50 years old woman was giving Thanksgiving that she gave birth to triplets. I went to this one. 40 years old woman was giving testimony. Even 70 years people. My daughter, don't worry. A man will come for you. He said, Cutler, say, sister, AJ, no. I called sister yesterday. The way she started to talk to me, I changed my mind. Mama said, So now my daughter can't advise you. When you want to take, he said the next 2 days, his mama mash come in house. Come insult in. The husband and wife. Where those husband and wife married when they did 14 years. When they take born these children, he said that so they take mash, come their asshole. Oh, Lord, yeah, well, you not go ever pass your mate. Now under your mate you go to eat. Oh, Hannah, he cook. He said just the talk. He said, Nikon. Now God they give pikin. Now God they give pikin, but that one not me say your pikin they ask. Your pikin dey Oyibo ask for more than 7 years. Your pikin don't build for flat. Oyibo say he no want pikin. Now instead of you to advise your pikin, my pikin, you don't get what you dey fine. Come on for there. Go find man. If you get money, fine. Come on for there. Okay, if you not get money for that side, gather money. Or your money wait then say, "Mo change out to Europe. Go take carry house from there. Find man. Go you with settle down." No, mama say no. Say mama, he pikin 38 years never hold. He say, if mama want to, mama will say, all this new generation children. This new generation children, they're not sabi handle marriage. You need to marry when you are matured. When me and your father got married, that one I did this. But this man, now they don't get sense. They not the fear handle marriage. He said, now that his mama tell the deceiver. He said more than 5 years, his mama they make enemy with the senior daughter because say he advised the one with day Europe. Tell her, say, go marry, leave that Igbo, so Igbo don't want pikin. Now, the mother, the lay curse on the senior daughter. Any mother, any evil mother that stands as a stumbling block, that don't want any of her child to progress, that mother woe unto her, except she repents from her ways. Even father, parents, let me put it, parents, except she repents from that ways. If not, woe will betide that mother. Woe will betide that parents. You don't do your, you don't come on. You don't want allow the children where you born do their whole. What a sad story. Hello, Erica. What a sad story. My people, don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. So mama, the way that they misuse money for you for Nigeria. Hell, God. You go dey find person, even though you don't know the person, you go dey find, hey, who be this picking where they carry money gonna give him mama? So may you go tell her, say, me, no, they bring money come for your mama. You dey find who know the girl where you call. So parents don't want to be called mother. They don't want some at all. They don't want some. They don't want some. Now the mother they vex. The woman on the road. Holy Ghost fire. Yes, so her mother is holding the remote of the girl. It might be, it might be, I don't know. But even the words that came out from her mouth, the mother's mouth, say he go that church at the age of 50, person he gonna give testimony, he gave birth to triplet. He go that church. He say like Mama, you know what be like that. You want me at day 50 years, I can't train them, I can't the type baby napping. Instead of me the type my grandchildren who now me can't at the age of 50. He say that guy say, the average when she start giving me yesterday, now I want follow. He say, Mama say, so you go to talk to that one, that useless daughter, where you not rich. He said 2 days, mama just smash, come years. Who can lord here? Who can woo? Who can do this? Who can do that? He said, Mama just the sort time. He said that evening they just cook. He and children. Your husband they eat for Paris. He now say, Mama you take bajin. Oh Hannah. Who don't lord here? Who don't this? He said just the cousin. He said your husband you do like this. Oh, be down. Una mungem your mama. This and this. He said that mama, your husband say, oh, ja, if your mother come this house again, he go push and go for. He said, now so, your mama say, your husband they sort out. He said, nah, for 5 years now, he don't beg, he don't tire. His mama put her for mind because he tells his sister, say, go marry. Is that woman not a witch? Is that woman? Let me tell you, any enemy is not far from you. Enemy is not in America. When I say in America, he's not a stranger. Enemy is not someone you don't know. Enemy is under your roof. Your enemy might be under your roof. It might be among your children. It might be your husband. It might be your wife. It might be your pastor. It might be your deacon. It might be your fellow choir. It might be your ministry. Because you made together. And anybody that don't know you will not destroy you. Anybody where you don't know you not fit come into your life can't destroy you. Like this parable, now rat where they inside us, now they carry food go outside. So our mother is an enemy. That for me, that is sign of witchcraft. Our mother is an enemy. We should stop pointing fingers. Enemy, you can just met someone today. Your best friend is your worst enemy. Anybody where you don't come across, where you don't know everything, but you can become your enemy. All of a sudden. Anybody where you know you're the worker for street, and person you say this one is my enemy. No, you don't know before, you don't know you. So I want to catch you. I want to day against you. It's impossible. So enemy lives within. A mother will be an enemy. So my people, if you have that kind of a mother, disease from that mother, anything you are doing, don't tell that mother again. My sister, the lady is not a baby, but be careful you don't come across such mother. Some mother, he get the kind sweet man with the sweet before they know that they say, he went away. That motherly love will come dare you. You don't know where you take for their trap. You don't know where you take for their trap. They are like that, Our mother is holding the remote of the girl. It might be, it might be that the mother is holding the remote of the girl. It might be, yes. It's possible. Because you can't tell me. You can't tell me that your mother will be remoting you. Okay, go see the remote to your husband. The man don't even get say. He say, Papa can't be like vegetable. When you wa make asuna mama to I don't marry this una mama. You know they make trouble. As he talk something, so they be more na let her be like that. Now my wife, he said na so Papa you do. He said the way say mama be not be like this, so he said mama not be like this before. He said mama not be like this. So you see, Europe, please, if you are just coming, please share the video. Let it get to whoever it may concern, okay, let it go, still go viral a little bit. Maybe some people still get sense through this message. This Europe money, it don't cost a lot. Two brothers don't kill themselves, two sisters don't kill themselves. They don't create future enemy. Parents don't create future enemy within themselves because of this Europe money. Because of this Europe money, because of dollar, pounds, euro, it don't cost a lot of enemy. Say they not even feel they settle the matter. When you go see two sisters, they do like this. Why? Their mama don't make them become enemy. Now, so they go, they enter from one prophet to another, one native daughter to another, one witch daughter to another. Remote control, remote control. Any mother, any siblings, because of our money, they want to twist us. May they sleep, they will never wake up in Jesus' name. Because our destiny is not in their hands. It lies in the hands of God. Please, my people, when you come across such, when you have a friend like this that tell you, this is what I'm going through, tell her to draw close. I say, my sister, this thing, you draw close to God. Make God give your mama the heart, make say forgive you. Then, anything where you plan, because you don't know, say mama, they keep picking. Mama, they keep picking you. Physically and spiritually, they key when it comes to money matter. Money matter. Don't go there, Europe. Euro ni. They will say, no cutter or no cutter. Just bring her come like that. You will say, you go take money for so place. Me, I not get more than when me send money to her. You say, the one where I don't see. They don't they call you no. The money you will see changer. They will tell us, my pikin, sure you tell her, you tell the man make it not change and give me. I'm not gonna take the one with the change. Oh God, oh, thank you, my people. Please follow my page. Follow Joan Adam Sek, okay? Thank you. Their hand will be like Bama Metin Jesu. Bad siblings, brother and sister, father-in-laws that want to remove the children of God because of their money. They will sleep, they will never wake up in Jesus' name. Okay, so now be the story where I bring. Say, see what mama they do children because of Europe money. I think say this kind of don't finish. It never still finish. Oh, you see they exist. The upcoming one will you inside Europe, so make una use una sense. So make una not work money, work. Age go come pass. So see many people will work money. They want marry now. The boy where they're supposed to marry, other don't go marry because they wait. They not feel wait for them. They don't feel wait for them. They go marry. So more than not let any siblings, brother or sister or mama deceive you and say, time will come you go marry. My sister, if you see man will come across your way, will love you. My sister, pursue the man. Pursue pikin and money not the work at the same time. Either you choose pikin or you choose money. But pursue pikin later, money go come. Okay, money go come. Not let anybody deceive you. Okay, more than not let anybody deceive you now. If the man is responsible, is really willing to marry you, you see that you are in law, what are you waiting for? They also pray to God to direct you to a good man, even a good woman, both men and women. This goes to them. Okay, thank you. Please share the video. Okay, let it go viral. Help me to grow my page. Okay, thank you. One love. I said that 1 hour I want spend. I don't spend past 1 hour. Okay, thank you, my beautiful people. One love. Thank you. I so much appreciate you for staying with me. One love. Please, if you have not liked my page, if you have not followed my page, just like it now, follow it. Okay, thank you. Bye. Tayana Jojo Pius, Eric Kunyime, thank you. Bella Paul, thank everyone that came. Okay, thank you for watching. One love. By tomorrow, for our feet, I'll be coming out with another topic. Your 27 years old boy, you go marry 22 years old girl. Wait, don't feel born for one man, 2 children. 27 boy, 27 years old boy. Where you the rush go marry second hand, 27. Now the man don't kill her. The woman don't kill her now. You don't even bother waiting driver for the first marriage. 27 years. Only amuneri me 22 years don't fair marry, born 2 children. You come marry her again. After I don't leave that marriage, you come marry her again. You wait day 27, you day 22 years. You go marry 22 years. We don't fair God's man has come. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll be coming live tomorrow here or YouTube. I don't know. Thank you. One love. Bye. We are going to treat that topic, okay? Thank you. One love. Bye.